Hi, I'm Mario Fernandez. I'm here at the Decowraps showroom, and I'm going to show you different innovative ideas using the multi-layer Decowraps sheets that they have brand new and the craft paper wrap. It's a single sheet. They both come with a 60-inch raffia that makes it fast for you to place your flowers. And I'm going to show you real quickly. You got your bunch. You place your flowers. You fold up. You bring over on each side the tissue and the craft paper that comes already attached, like I told you, and you double tie. And what the double tie means is that when you tie it, it stays. You don't have to have somebody there put their finger and hold it for you. And what's cute and nice about this, you can use the raffia tie loose with the streamers, or you can double tie it, which I'll show you in another one, and make like a little bow. Look how beautiful that looks. The white fine tissue and the craft paper makes it fast and simple. That's the best thing that you want. You want to be able to not worry about cutting cellophane, ruining the roll, having to decide which tissue paper. It comes already ready. Then you have the smaller tissue. You can do the smaller bouquet. You just get your flowers, your bunch of flowers that you already picked out. You fold up the bottom. If you want to cover up the stem, you put the one paper over, the other paper over, just how you normally tie. And remember, the trick that we did is the double tie. That you go once, you go twice, and when you bring down the raffia, it stays. Like if somebody's holding it with your finger, then you do your Dior bow or your tie, like a shoelace tie. And what do you have? You have this beautiful European style wrap with the craft paper. And the best part, it comes all attached. The raffia is already tied on or glued onto the craft paper, and you're ready to go. You save time, you save money, and your client's out the door. That's the best part. Decowraps.